guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Adventure SG. So let's do another interesting word problem on percentage. Let's read the question first. 50% of Gina's salary is equal to 75% of Ray's salary. What is the ratio of Gina's salary to Ray's salary? Okay, so we have very few information here. We just know that the 50% of Gina's salary is equal to 75% of Ray's salary, and we have to find the ratio of Gina's salary to Ray's salary. Okay, so the first thing we should do is that just let's convert the percentage, right, percentage into the fraction first. Okay, so that it will be easier to handle the problem. Okay, so let's do that first. So let's find out what will be 50% of Gina's salary in terms of fraction. Okay, so 50% of Gina's salary in terms of fraction will be, see, how do we convert the percentage into fraction? Just divide the percentage by 100. Okay, and then of course let's simplify it. If you simplify it, you will get 1 by 2. Divide both numerator and denominator by 50, right? And then same thing we have to do for Ray's salary. Okay, so 75% of Ray's salary is how much in terms of fraction? So it will be 75 divided by 100, and if we simplify it, we will get 3 by 4. Okay, so 75% of Ray's salary is 3 by 4 of his salary. Now what do we have here? We have here is that 50% of Gina's salary is equal to 75% of Ray's salary, right? That means half of Gina's salary is equal to 3 by 4 of Ray's salary. Why? Because just now we have converted the percentage into fraction. So from here we can say that half of Gina's salary is equal to, so it's how much? It is equal to 3 by 4 of Ray's salary. Okay, so how do we interpret this? I mean, yes, we have written it, right? But what do we get from this, right? So basically this tells us that if we divide the Gina's salary, the whole salary of Gina into two parts, right? One part of Gina's salary will be equal to 3 parts of Ray's salary if we divide Ray's salary into 4 equal parts. So if it looks complex to you, right, when you hear you find it complex, let's understand it by drawing a model, right? So let's draw Gina's salary first, right, which is let's say this much. Okay, so let's say this is Gina's salary, and let's divide it into 2 parts. Why 2 parts? Because here it's given half of Gina's salary. So that means at least the denominator here is 2, right? So at least we have to divide the salary into 2 parts so that 1 part of it we can equate to 3 part of Ray's salary. Okay, Ray's salary. Now what do we have here for Ray's salary? We have 4 units, but we have to make sure that the 3 unit of Ray's salary is equal to 1 unit of Gina, right? So we have to draw our model carefully in such a way that 3 units of Ray's salary is equal to 1 unit of 3 units of Ray's salary is equal to 1 unit of Gina's salary. So see here, in how many units I should divide this? I should divide this into 3 equal parts, so that 3 units of Ray's is equal to 1 unit of Gina's salary, right? And in total he's having 4 unit. I mean, this one doesn't look that much equal. Okay, so let's make it equal. Okay, yeah, so that looks better. Okay, so there are 4 equal unit for Ray. So from here you can see clearly that 1 unit of Gina is equal to 3 units of Ray's. Obviously the 1 unit of Ray is not same as 1 unit of Gina, because in 1 unit of Gina there are 3 unit of Ray's, right? So in this way it's very difficult to compare, right? So what we can do here is that we can further divide Gina's salary, right? This part of Gina's salary into three equal parts, so that 3 unit of Gina becomes equal to 3 unit of Ray's. So let's do that. Let's divide Gina's salary also, so this part of Gina's salary also, into 3 equal parts. Now you see here, the 3 unit of Gina's salary is equal to 3 unit of Ray's. Right? Now since we have divided first one part of Gina's salary into three parts, right? We have to do the same for the rest of her salary. Right? That means we have to divide it further, the other part also, into 3 equal parts. Right? And that will give us how many units? So let's find out. We will annotate and count it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? And how about Ray? We know it's 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? And we also know that we can see here that this 3 unit of Gina's salary is equal to 3 unit of Ray's salary, right? So from here we can clearly see that what is the total number of units of Gina's salary. What is the total unit of Gina's salary? So we can see here it is 6 units, right? It is 6 units. So from here we can say that, okay, Gina is having 6 units, but how do we get 6 here? Right? It's easy. 1 by 2 is also equal to 3 by 6, right? It's just the equivalent. Just multiply numerator and denominator by 3, right? So we'll get 3 by 6, right? So we can, from here we can get 3 by 6 of Gina's salary will be equal to 3 by 4 of Ray's salary, right? And it makes sense also. You can see it from here, right? 3 by 6 means out of 6 unit, 3 unit of Gina is equal to 3 units of Ray, who has in total 4 units, right? Now from here what do we get? What is the total units of Gina's salary? So the total unit of Gina's salary is 6 unit. You can get it either from here, from the denominator, or from the model, right? So Gina's salary is basically 6 units. And how about Ray's? Ray's salary is 4 units, right? So what is their ratio? What is the ratio of these two? So we can say it from here. Gina's salary is to Ray's salary is how much? It's pretty simple. It's 6 unit is to 4 unit, which obviously we can write as 6 is to 4, right? And we must simplify it because it's ratio, right? So it will be 3 is to 2. How do we get this? Well, just divide both the side by 2, right? So from this is our final answer. So to answer our question, what is the ratio of Gina's salary to Ray's salary? The ratio of Gina's salary to Ray's salary is 3 is to 2. Okay, so that's your final answer. The ratio of Gina's salary to Ray's salary is 3 is to 2. Okay, so that's the solution of this question. Hope you liked it. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.